Greetings, my bro. You're going to be looking at how we can actually use a reading pane right here in our email. What is it we're talking about? Alright, reading pane will actually, when you click on any one of these, you actually see the word of the same, and then the message can either display to your right or underneath the button, right? So if I come right here and I click on this, you notice right here, I can't see the rest of them, so I'm going to go back. So in order for me to enable that, I have to come right up here which says settings. I'm going to click on settings. Now bring up this particular area. So you're going to click on RCR setting. Now when you click on R setting, this is what come up right here. You see label inbox account important, right? Fit and block. Some of you might not come around here for the first time, but take your time. You're going to select inbox. Now when you click on inbox, what you want to do, you want to scroll down. Notice right here enable reading pin. So you're going to click right here and enable it. When as soon as I do that, you scroll down at the bottom. You're going to click right here. So save charge. You're going to take it right back around the front like that. Good. So now it's right showing here now. So what I want to do, I want to select the message that you want to select, right? So if I come right here and I click on this message right here, you notice it's still like this, right? But in order for me to do that again, right? If you notice right up here, right? If I come right here and I click, you notice it's a no split. It's a vertical and horizontal split. So if I click on vertical, right, you notice right over here, so separate and here, right? So this is one item. When I click on this email, notice I can actually view it over here, right? If I click on this one right here, notice I can actually view it over here. But you notice over here, a scroll bar, I can actually scroll on like that. I can actually do a reply. You notice I'm still seeing the rest of the message over here. I can actually come right here and scroll on over here just the same. Yes, scroll on over here just the same. I can actually click. You notice it still show up over here, right? So I still can view it. Right, if I want to change the layout of this, I can come right back and then click on horizontal split. You notice it show underneath right here, so notice if I click, you notice it scroll up right here. But if I come right top here, I scroll up just the same. So if I come right here and I click on this one, you notice it's actually show up on the bottom just the same. Yes, it's up to you which one of them you want to use. You just simply go back right here and then click on vertical. You notice it actually show up over here. Yes, so you can actually view the tone of email right over here. So at the same time, and when I click on it, you can actually view it over here just the same, just like that. So this is how you use a reading pane right in your email. Some of you might not familiar with it, but share it so that your friend can actually get an idea how to do this without have to block out the whole entire section with just one simple email. So thanks for watching.